So yes guys, back with another video. In this video we will be jumping in with the next way of adding JavaScript to an HTML. So I just want to quickly add something to the previous video where we have in the previous video we have learned about all about inline JS. We have learned that we can add that in a head tag, in the body, and at the end of the body, right? So the thing is, we can have this JavaScript tag anywhere in the HTML page, not just in the head or in the body or after the body or even after the head, right? So I will just remove this off and copy and paste that after the HTML tag. And so if I save this file and come back to the browser, if I just refresh that, and boom, we got the same thing, right? So the bottom line here is we can have a script tag anywhere around the HTML page, right? So this is what the thing is. So it works in that way, but my suggestion is have the script tag after the body but before closing the HTML tag, right? So this is all about the thing, because we are writing the JavaScript code that works on the body of the HTML, not on the head or not on the other stuff, right? So this is the, I think this is the suitable way of having an inline text, inline JS in HTML. So now coming to the point, how to make this as an external JS. So what I will do here is I'll just remove this off. So no more we are dealing with inline JS. So what I will do here is I'll just open some new tab. So of course it can be done in Ctrl+N. It opens up the new tab, and I will just save this file inside this JavaScript course which I have done. I will just say save this file as external what. So this extension, the file extension should be .js. So whenever we need to have an external JS, that file name should be in terms of .js. So I'll just quickly save this file, and now this is the JavaScript file. So we can directly write all of the JavaScript codes. So no need to write again the script tag and all of those things, because the reason we need script tag is because that should be in the HTML. So this script tag should be in the HTML but not in the external JavaScript. So keep that in mind. So we write directly all the JavaScript code in this file like this. So I'll just say console.log. So I'm just log something to the log. I'll just say, hey, this is what we call it as external JS. Blah, blah, blah. That's it. So save this file and come back to the browser. I mean, in this HTML file. So now we have created this two different entities. So we have the HTML file and the JavaScript file, which makes this HTML file alive. So now how to link both of them now? So let's do it. And as I said, the JavaScript should be at the end of the body before the HTML tag. So now what we need to do is again open up script tag, but now we are not writing an inline JavaScript. So I'll just remove this off, and I will just say src, which means source. So in this source, in the double quotes, I have to write the name of the file of that external JS. So in our case, it's external JS. So I'll just say external.js. That's it. So this is it, how we will link. We will have an external JS attached to the HTML. So I'll just save this file. Make sure that you save both of them and come back to the browser. And now the moment I refresh the page, boom, we got this, the text changed, right? So this is it, guys. This is how we will write all of the JavaScript code in a separate file and then add this separate file in the HTML with this simple script tag where we will be giving the source, right? And the thing is, guys, I have just written the name of the file with the extension. But if you have this JavaScript file somewhere else apart from this folder called as JavaScript course, you need to give the path, the entire path of that external file. So if I have add this external file somewhere else in, I'll just say instead of having in the F drive, if I had in D or C drive, then we need to give the full path of this external file over here. So whenever we have just the name and the extension of the file, the browser will inbuilt checks this file external.js file inside the current directory where the HTML file is residing in, right? So this is how the browser works. But if you need to have some external JavaScript which is located somewhere else, you need to give the full path over in the source thing. So in this double quotes, you need to give that full path. So that should be kept in mind whenever you are dealing with some external file which are located in somewhere else. So yes guys, this is how simple it is to have an external JS. Boom, we have got this thing over here in the HTML file and again back in the browser in the console, right? So yes guys, this is all about it. It's so simple, and make sure that you practice it. I assure you that it comes with all of the practice. There is a saying like practice makes man perfect. It works here guys. So just don't leave this video, just watch this video and leave this off. Practice it, and practice makes man perfect. That's what we do, right? Yes guys, this is all about external JS, and see you in the next video.